everyone, and welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making wall decor using materials we found around the Dollar Tree. For today's project, you're going to be needing one mirror that is black framed and 10 packages of these silver napkin rings that I found in the party section. And here is the SKU number if you like. Hope you guys can see that. Perfect. And I also picked up this plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree section. It's great for crafting. So grab your glue guns and let's get started. And popped out the mirror from the frame so it doesn't get dirty or cracked in the middle of the process. And I've got the napkin rings all open, ready to go. What's best to do at this point is to come up with a design that you're going to like. With me, I'm going to do a pattern of this sort, perhaps, where it's perpendicular to the lines from one ring to the next. And I'm just going to go ahead and go around the frame and arrange it before I glue it down, just to make sure everything is going to space out correctly. I'll be right back. And this is the design I went ahead and stuck with. I first arranged the rings around the frame, and then I started gluing the other layers onto the original ring. So I attached the first layer, and then I went ahead and attached the second and the third layers independently to the first layer by just prepping it with additional glue. And I do think that E6000 is going to work better for this project than just a glue gun. The glue gun does not have that much adhesive to hold, but if you do decide to use the glue gun, know that you're going to need extra layers in the back of the rings to hold it all together. I'm going to go ahead and put the mirror in and show you what this looks on the wall. Here we have the final result of the Dollar Tree items we bought. I hope you guys try this at home and try it with your own way of doing things. I went ahead and did these in different combinations just so that there is a little bit of difference with the design lines on the napkin rings, and it made for a very interesting piece. This literally took us $11. I did buy some extra of the napkin rings just in case if there's any casualties later on during the project, which I'm happy I did, and I would recommend that you do as well. I also put a layer of glue in the back of the mirror just to support it a little bit, and as I'm hanging it on the wall, it does not come apart. Go ahead and comment below if you guys like it, and please come back for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.